Hello guys! Welcome again sa channel ko, Christian Reactions/Vlogs. And today po, again, as I promised, kay John Clyde uli na reaction video yung gagawin ko. But this time po, ang gagawin ko po ng reaction video, yung kinanta ni John Clyde sa Grand Finals na I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. But guys, before anything else, yung nagawa ko ng isang reaction video last time, meron ako pinasalamatan na nagbigay sa akin this one, ng shades. I forgot to mention his name, from Dubai. Thank you very much kay Mr. Mark Sanchez for sending me these nice eyeglasses. Yan. Thank you very much po. And before anything else, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa mga subscribers ko na laging nanonood ng video ko. So guys, with no further ado, sabay-sabay natin panoorin yung kinanta ni John Clyde nung Grand Finals, yung I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. Let's watch this. Wow, sobrang proud ako kay John Clyde talaga, guys. I mean, proud kuya. Cute ni John Clyde, sobra. I hope ma-meet ko na in person si John Clyde soon. Guys, I know na this time, habang kumakanta si John Clyde, hindi na okay yung boses niya, I mean, pao siya. Pero kung meron taong manonood ditong video right now, hindi mapapansin na paos yung bata. So, sobrang galing ng bata, guys. Go, John Clyde. Go, John Clyde. Kaya mo yan, guys. Go! Ito na, guys, yung mataas na part. Wow! Grabe, guys, sobrang gusto kong maiyak. Sobrang proud lang talaga ako. Proud kuya kay John Clyde. Wow! Grabe, guys, sobrang proud lang talaga ako, guys. And all of my family voted for him to win, guys. So, wow, guys! Kahit sobrang paos ni John Clyde, guys, yung pinaka-last na note, high note, sobrang galing mo, John Clyde. Sobrang proud kuya ako. Pwede mo ako maging kuya, John Clyde. I hope you can watch my video. And, wala na ako masabi, guys. I mean, lahat na kay John Clyde na, I mean, yung charisma niya, sobrang cute na bata, and also yung professionalism niya sa pagkanta. Siguro dahil sa experience niya rin sa mga sing contest na salihan niya. So, ayun, guys. Yun, sobrang talagang gusto kong umiyak. Sobrang proud. Anyway, guys, if you like my reaction video, please click the like button. And if hindi pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa akin, please subscribe po kayo guys. Click nyo lang po yung subscribe button and yung bell po sa tabihan niya para ma-notify po kayo every time nagagawa ko ng video guys. And gaya na sabi ko nung last na video guys, if you want me to promote anything, your product online, pwede po akong mag-promote sa channel ko. And also if you want to give me anything or any stuff, you can send me an email. I'll put my email down below guys. And thank you very much guys again for watching my video. And always take care and God bless. Bye. Bam.